To use the cleaning tools in the Color Separations module, go to File, Load Image. Select an image that has already been color separated, and it will open in cleaning mode. Cleaning mode has tools to eliminate stray and unwanted pixels from color-reduced artwork. This is an important step, because these pixels will become more apparent as different colorways and repeats are made in the other modules. It is also expected by many production printers that artwork will already be color-reduced and cleaned. Cleaning ensures that each color is printed only where it is supposed to be, and not mixed in other areas. Use the Film View to easily find stray pixels around the artwork. Film View displays the selected color in black, and the other colors in near white. In this example, the blue and green are already clean. However, the dark and bright purple have a lot of artifacts between the other colors. These stray pixels will need to be cleaned using the cleaning tools in the Color Separations module.